Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe and like the video below. In this video, I'll be showing you how I pluck my closures and frontals to look as natural as possible. I start off by wetting the closure with a spray bottle full of water to slick the hair back. This helps me to see the thickness of the closure a lot better. I would put a white cloth or towel under the wig, but this time I forgot. But you can still do so. I'm brushing the hair back to see the pre-plucked section to separate it from the rest. The tweezer I'm using is a new but regular angled tweezer, nothing special. When I pluck, I work in sections. Because this is a 5x5 closure, I divide it in half. First, I pluck the right side. When plucking, make sure your strokes are random. When I hold down the hair, I can see the hairline getting thinner. Now that you've seen how I pluck the hair, I can speed up the video. I'm moving on to the left side to match the right side. When I think both sides match, I part where the hair gets thick and pluck again. I do this until I'm an inch or an inch and a half deep into the frontal or closure. I am brushing all the hair back to see the difference in thickness. When I part the hair, I do see the thinness in the middle, meaning I may have over-plucked a bit, but that can be blended. Let me know if you think the hairline looks natural or not. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video down below. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!